Guys, we're getting a little bit of snow. It's January 9th. It's since like noon today. It's like 5 o'clock now. So like you see, we got probably about 2 inches now. This is the nasty stuff here. They leave you a nice big pile here. You got it's heavy stuff. I see my neighbors, he pays people to do his yard. Got a big truck there. Say hello to my friend in Kansas City who thinks he's got more snow than us. I don't know, he had quite a bit. But he's lazy. He'd probably pay somebody to do his yard too. See, this is the nice type of snow. We got it sticking. Got it sticking to the branches. This is what power outages are made out of. Look at how those branches